for today's video, I don't know what we're gonna do. Ano ginawa natin?
Survive.
Survive? Ano ang goal natin?
Make a house.
Gabo daw kita ng house. At Mika, how you join?
Wait lang. Sorry po. Ano pa lang? Di ko ang gusto niya.
Okay. Why do I have sapling? I just broke two leaves and I have a sapling.
Yeah.
Get that. Where the wood? Be my new wood.
Ay, uni na ang
Okay, it's already night time. Gabi na lamang. Okay. Oh, di pa mag-gabi pa lang.
Ika, Nikong.
On stream. Oh yeah, try hard mode. Oh, wait.
Sige.
Wow, there's something swimming in the snow. Okay. I'll leave that thing.
Alright. Go.
Boom. Bam, bang, bang, bang.
Go.
Why did I make a bowl? I accidentally made a bowl. What the heck? I have X axe. I have X axe. Iken, give me be your food.
Manggagada lang ko. Mahanap lang kong food.
We need food.
Okay.
Let's get that.
Good thing ice ko, Gab.
Yes, why?
Maghanap kita ng ice.
Why do you need ice?
Ay, ice. Kung crafting table.
Yeah, I have crafting.
To eat. Ay, uni, may chicken. Gadanon pa kang hanap kong chicken ka. Dili na, pagadang ka na.
What the heck is this?
Chicken man. Crafting table lang.
Why?
Yes.
Where did you go? Okay.
I need some black food.
You need a lot of food.
Oh, I see the chicken.
Cave!
Where the cave?
Iron!
I see a dog. So cute.
Wait, you see a dog? Don't hurt it.
So cute. Oh, so cute ang dog.
Okay.
Oh.
It's a baby dog.
Yan yung pagdadanon ka.
What the heck? I need stone.
May bone ka, ma?
I don't have any bone. Mahunt ako sa bone.
I need some bone because dahil ko na yung paamo.
Where did the crafting table go? Put the crafting table. Put crafting.
Cutie. May isa pa. Ay, may
Don't focus on that. Oh my gosh.
I need some food. Manggadalang ko ni Idong niya para makakapangin ko. Oh, may family siya. Ay, tabi na.
What is happening?
Oh, my. Just help me.
Okay, what is this?
Help me. Napatay ko yung aso. Pag-igdi ka sa kaya. Igdi ka sa snow.
Crafting. The swimming crafting table. There and there. Now we can have iron.
Sorry. I need some food to eat. I can...
Dogs don't drop food.
Uy, give me some food.
I don't have any.
Sorry.
You need food.
Tata, magagada na ko. Ay, gusto niyo ako magadahan.
No.
I need food.
Oh no. How no?
Hey, Doggy. May Doggy ka na pagada.
There's. May mushroom ka mo na, Iling? I need to make mushrooms too.
Bigo ko gid si Ido. Kaya ko na
Iling! Goal natin. We're gonna make a house.
Wala, may gusto kong papi.
What happened? Oh my gosh, there's no more tonton. There'll be no more tontons.
I'm so cold. I'm going to die.
Where the heck? Cave? Oh,
At
that's
lang
not
bago ako
cave.
magadaan, malaog ko na ng feather.
Guys, focus on the game. starving right now. I'm hungry. Oh wait. Oh.
Me too. Ay!
Right. Oh, cute. Oh.
Pag minahin ka mong ito.
Mushroom.
Nagagadi ng ito.
Don't punch the wall. Don't punch the wall so the walls can't. Rabbit bit. Let me kill you. Stop, rabbit. Let me
Kala
kill
ko si
you.
Idong sa diskala ko, rabbit.
Alas 4, magmatang.
Kaya na, gadong ko. Direct Idong sa inyo.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Uy, di mo pabayaan mo yun. Ayun, sinang gagadan sa ko.
Jows, Moss, they're the cave.
Ganda ng dahon. Piting sa ko ka na.
Here's.
Sa ko ka ng dog ka. Gusto kong tuulan.
Oh, you don't have any feathers.
May tulang gawa. Pwede ko rin pagkakawin. Ano,
You
pwede.
don't have... No, you can't. What dogs eat feathers?
Ah, I see. Jackpot. You get it. I see.
Jackpot.
Sabi ni Papa.
Oh my gosh.
Die.
I'm actually gonna die right here.
I'm gonna die to tree hunger.
I'm gonna die to hunger.
Tree hunger, magaganda na ako ng Jess. Apple. Jess, kiga. Dila.
I'm getting so much stone. Get some food. Find food.
Kailan ang nangyari sa kuya?
Why did you have put? Why did you eat the chicken raw? Why did you eat chicken raw?
Ay, gutom kaya ako.
Don't eat the chicken raw, buddy. Okay, life lesson. Don't eat chicken
I'm gonna die.
raw chicken.
I'm dying now. 3 and 2.
Oh my gosh, I only have 400.
I'm gonna die now.
Hi guys, you split off. I'm actually gonna die. Hold on.
Bari nga, maganda na ako.
Go back to spawn point. Go back to spawn point. Kylie, come on.
Oh. Wait lang.
I'm hunting food. Kailangan natin yung kay mushroom.
Ah,
Ay,
nalaglag na lang
Walty.
sa ice.
Ha?
Hindi yun lang sa ice.
Bye guys, I'm going to eat.
Oo. I need some food. Wait lang.
I'm going to have a feast. Let me kill some sheep or chickens. Bye guys, have fun.
Siya yung power forward. Makulit siya.
Cow!
Kung hindi kanya
Three
Ay,
cows!
ikaw.
pinag-
3 cows. Don't steal my cows. I found them first.
yung
Mara, hindi. Tusukin ka ka.
quiet type na musika.
How many cows did you find? Akin tulo, yes.
I have rabbit. Nilalang ko. Katawan sa muso ko.
Give me some. Cowie.
Give me some. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Jao only has one.
Pagkating.
Oh, I'm so lucky. I have a jackpot. Jackpot. 2 more cows.
Holy hagad ako. So cute.
Where's the baby dog?
Di ko parayo. You want eat this? Kakagda sa amin ng kada. Gusto takang ang kada. Talaga yan.
Wait, guys. Wait lang. I'm gonna give you some food. Wait.
At lang, mapaganda ako. Oh no. Tawa ko mga gadan. I need some.
There. You can have all that meat.
And I want it again.
You can have those meat. I have more meat. Wait, how many?
Mark 1, 2,
Huh? Okay.
3. Go.
Why do you wanna die? This guy's psycho.
Some food.
Ah! Idiot.
Oh, madali na. Pag may skeleton, takbo na hindi akong to lang. Narig na akong to.
Oh guys. This is my
The
food.
dog.
Next time you do this,
Oh my gosh. Kylie Farron, why did you split? Come on. Kyle. Why did you split? We have so much food.
Where are you?
Greenfields. Come on.
Daw. Nasaan ka mo dyan?
Sa Greenfields. Doon na kami sa ice.
You gonna die, sheep. You gonna die.
Oh my gosh. Why do you want sheep? Huh?
May bunny. Piling ka doon.
Uh-huh.
Magandang kang to. Ay, lang.
Get the bunny.
Nasaan mo? Hindi ka mo yun. Yung kamay.
Get the wolf.
Ay, uto na ka mo. I need some food. Bigay na nila akong food.
Doon na sa meron pa akong tagaluto.
Bayan na akong food.
Duman.
I'm gonna die.
Come on, boys.
3 na lang. Tulog si food ko.
Spider. Kahit puhan ka, spider. Kung nakakuha ka mo ng strings, bigay mo sa akin. I'm not gonna make it go.
I'm not able to eat some. We need some
Anong hunt mo, Jao?
bamboo.
Bamboo, okay. Anong hunt mo, mga skeletons? Ano?
Putangin na.
Sa akin yan. Give me that. Yeah, I have 2 string now. Wow, a cow! Go get the cow. Go get the cow.
Oh, nabulog ko. Ala.
Okay, boys.
I need some colors. Napuwag ng gagamba ka.
I heard the skeleton.
Uy, una, skeleton no. Pwede
Ah!
mo gano'n yung skeleton?
Yes, get the skeleton.
Paano ko man yung gagawin?
There's no, may man dito lang.
Uy, shit. Alalala. Get out of here. I'm going to crush. Okay, feeling gagamba. Kuruhan na rin doon.
Sa akin yan, gagamba. Sa akin
Dili
yan,
na ako.
gagamba.
Ang putang ina mo. Hindi ko ako.
Akin mga gagamba.
Ina mo. Hi. At lang. Manggagadan lang ko. At lang, magkukulang ko. Bikas, maray di skeleton ka. Sasapukunta ka.
Oh, yeah. You guys are not gonna beat me at food.
Oh yeah, you're gonna not beat me. Get here and skeleton and gonna yeah. Putang ina mo.
Yes. I need more food, actually. I'm starving. What are you guys doing right there? Are you guys in the battle?
Oh, putang ina.
Ha? Bantayan ng daka.
Putik na zombie ne. Type talaga ninda ko, joke lang.
Wow!
Wow, sabi na sexy. Hala, nag-ati-atian kami kang skeleton.
May skeleton.
Guys, I need